Today I've got a cheeky little filter to install. It is a ramair panel filter. As previously I had a pipe across filter, and I'll add a photo in of what happened to that, but it got absolutely destroyed, and it was only in about 20,000 mile. So yeah, I bought this. It's a different kind of material. It looks quite good. So I can't wait to test it out, and I'll add some cheeky little sound clips of before it goes in and after it goes in. So I'll catch you when it's fitted. So this is with the standard filter in. A few little clips from inside. Boys, I thought I would just record me changing the filter over, because why not? I'll show you how to do it. There's 3 little tiny bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them, just down there. All you need to do with this to get this out of the way is just literally just pull it off. Like that. It just comes out of the way. And just loosen it off of it. You don't actually have to take these out now that it changes the filter over, so you just loosen them off like that. And then this should just pop straight off. Which I'll show you any second. So you just go like that, and then just pop straight off like that. And there's the old filter. So check a look at it. It's not too bad because I only changed it not long ago, to be honest. But still, so it's been in for about a month or something. It's not the cleanest, but that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Let's be honest. So I'll set that bad boy in. Make sure that gets out of the way so you can actually put it down properly. There you go. Lovely jubbly. And just tighten all these bolts back in now. Just fucking rounded that bolt like Jesus Christ. Yeah, I won't bother tightening that anymore. Oh, there. There we go. That's better. And then slide that back over that. And there you go, there's your air filter fitted. So I'll get back to you when I'll get the car and I'll do some little sound clips. So there you go, boys. There's the video of the new filter. I hope you like it. It sounds a lot better. The car feels a lot more responsive with it. And it only costs us £39.99, which isn't too bad really. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit.